Muslim who has got the prize for science.
मान नहीं और फिर अपने आप को मुसलमान कहते हैं।
Hello, welcome. Today January 29, 2021. So today we are going to talk about a very special person, a man who has a great contribution towards the field of science, towards the field of physics, but his contribution was neglected in his own country. He received only hate in his own country, but his work was widely recognized and acknowledged all around the globe. We're going to talk about Professor Dr. Abdul Salam. He's the only Pakistani to win a Nobel Prize in the field of science. Even, he's the only Muslim. I will say it again, only Muslim to win a Nobel Prize in the field of science. Only one person out of 1.7 billion people, 1.7 billion Muslims, won a Nobel Prize in the field of science. We're going to talk about that man, Professor Dr. Abdul Salam. Professor Salam was born in Punjab on January 29, 1926. He studied his undergraduate degree from Punjab University. Later, he studied from Government College to get his master's degree. Later, he went to Cambridge University to get his PhD. His PhD thesis was in the field of quantum electrodynamics, and that thesis gave him a worldwide recognition. Professor Abdul Salam, after completing his PhD, got back to Pakistan and lectured in Punjab University. But he left Pakistan after a very short time and got again to Cambridge University and became professor there. Why he left? It was because of anti-Qadiani rights. We will get to this after some time. First, we will discuss some of the contribution of Dr. Abdul Salam. Professor Salam studied particle physics and was one of the pioneers, one of the masters of particle physics. His works included supersymmetry, grand unification theory. His work also led to the discovery of Higgs boson, which was discovered in 2012 at CERN in Geneva, Switzerland. His work on electroweak unification theory led to a Nobel Prize. He got Nobel Prize with Professor Steven Weinberg. Really, he was a great man. He has a great contribution in the field of science, but how he was treated, how was this man treated in Pakistan? First, see this video and tell me. This is a video of a science college in Pakistan. See it.
जनाब इस टाइम हम नेशनल साइंस कॉलेज जो है इसके बाहर खड़े हैं जहाँ पे ये फोटो लगी हुई है डॉक्टर अब्दुल सलाम की। तो माशाल्लाह डायरेक्टर साहब से बात हुई है, उन्होंने हमें इजाज़त दी है कि हम इसको जो है ना इसका मुंह काला करके इसको जो है ना दिखाएं वहाँ, क्योंकि ये चीज़ हमारे माशरे में पूरे पाकिस्तान में इंशाल्लाह नहीं चलेगी। ये सारे हमारे भाई खड़े हैं, हम लोग इसको कादियानी कुत्ता है, कादियानी काफिर है, कादियानी कुत्ता है, काफिर है।
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद।
Well, you saw that. This video is from Science College in Pakistan. These students, these so-called science students, are applying black paint on Dr. Abdul Salam. Why? But why? Only because fate of Dr. Abdul Salam. Professor Salam was a Qadiani. He was an Ahmadiyya. He recognized Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani as a prophet. He just did this only. Even today, in Pakistan, Qadianis are receiving hate. If you see news, if you observe carefully, nearly each and every day, Qadianis are being prosecuted in Pakistan. Even if you see, they are not leaving any Qadiani. Even big persons like Dr. Abdul Salam are being treated like that. Once Dr. Abdul Salam had been in Pakistan and he was going to lecture a few students of Quaid-e-Azam University. And do you know what happened? A student of Quaid-e-Azam University threatened Dr. Abdul Salam. He said if he entered the university, he would break his legs. Really, so much hate against Qadiani is in Pakistan. This will happen when you will bring religion with science, if you mix religion with science, all because of these religious leaders, these Maulanas, Muftis, these things are happening. Now I will show you a video. This video is of Allama Khadim Hussain Rizvi. Unfortunately, he's not alive now. This was Allama Khadim Hussain Rizvi Sahib when government opened chair of Professor Dr. Abdul Salam in Qaeda-e-Azam University, Institute of Physics in Qaeda-e-Azam University. See the reaction. See what is being happening in Pakistan. What these people, these muftis, Maulanas are doing in Pakistan. How they are spreading hate against Qadianis, Ahmadiyas.
ये बताओ कि पाकिस्तान बनाते हुए कायद आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना, उसके मुकाबले में नेहरू, गांधी, कांग्रेस, अब बताओ तुम किसी यूनिवर्सिटी में नेहरू की चेयर खोल सकते हैं? अपनी ईमान से बताओ, जो पाकिस्तान के गद्दार की चेयर नहीं खुल सकती तो खत्म नबुव्वत के गद्दार की कैसे खुल गई? उसकी चेयर भी वापस करो यकम से पहले। हाँ बिल्कुल, उसकी चेयर भी वापस करो। हाँ, ये तारीख लबैक या रसूल अल्लाह का मुतालबा नया आ गया। यहाँ जितने मुख्तर बैठे हैं मेरी बात पूरी सुनाएं। लिखने से मजा नहीं आएगा, मेरा उनको लहजा भी दिखाएं, मेरा चेहरे के जो है ना वो अंदाज भी दिखाएं उनको।
So Qadianis are dogs, Ghulam Mirza Ahmad Qadiani was a dog. Even whole Qadiani community is a dog. These are some things which are thought of majority of people in Pakistan which hate Ahmadiyyas, which hate Qadiani people. This thing is not going to stop. There are many people in Pakistan like Allama Khadim Hussain Rizvi who spreads hate against Qadiani people, who spreads hate against other minorities. It's not going to stop. There are thousands of people like them, people like Khadim Hussain Rizvis. Really, this thing is not going to stop soon. There is really a lot of hate among people. However, the situation could be better if government intervenes, but chances are very, very less. So, however, the thing which happened, the treatment of Dr. Abdul Salam and the treatment of Qadianis has created a barrier, a thing which would differentiate two kinds of people, educated and uneducated people. People like, I showed you, the people of science college, people who are sitting in front of Khadim Hussain Rizvis, who are hating people only because of their faith, and those are uneducated people. And educated people who are still better, who are not hitting people, who are not judging people according to their faith, according to their religion. This was this video, so to tell you about how Professor Abdul Salam was treated in Pakistan. Of course, this is a sad thing. What is happening is a sad thing. This makes me angry. So, what else you can do? Thank you for watching.